Okay, team, so this is how we're going to collaborate in the s'more each week that becomes the weekly memo. So what you'll do is you're going to go to s'more.com. It's that simple. Now mine automatically logs me in, but I'm sending you the login information in the email that you received this video with. So basically it's my email address plus the password goober22, which is a capital G. So when you get to this page, you can go to create a new flyer or look at old flyers. I will have already set up the flyer for the week. So you'll click on your flyers, and then as that loads, you come on down and you find the next flyer. You can find all the memos that I've done throughout the whole school year here. So let me go back up. Right here is the next memo. You'll just click on the memo and it will pop up. So I've already put the date in and the title, and the theme might change. I mean, you can get real creative with it. But what you guys will do is you will fan down. This is standard information that you just saw there. But you have all these options at the bottom. If you just want to type text, you open up the text box that you saw there and you just type away blah, 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 and hit done. If you decide that you didn't want to do that, you want to get rid of it, you can X out here, or if you just need to you saw a mistake and you want to make a change, hit edit and you can go back in. Now, if I decide I want to keep this information, I can do a couple things with it. I can leave it as is, or I can hit this little arrow button and I can add a picture to go along with it. So whenever you add a picture, you just click on it and find a picture that you want, click on it, hit open, and there's the picture with my jibber jabber that I just wrote there. So this is how you would add information if you wanted to do a little paragraph. If you wanted to create a video that you would like to share with the staff, then you would click on the video button, and from here you would copy in the URL for your video. So YouTube works really well. So if you made a video and you saved it to YouTube, you could stick that here and it will pop up too. Pictures. I like to create a slide in Google, and that's where you'll see a lot of the graphics that I include in memos. So then I take a snippet of that and make that into a picture. So when you click on picture, you have the option of one big picture or several smaller pictures. So that works. That's pretty simple too. Again, you just click on add picture, find a picture that you want, and then it shows up. If you want it, here's that picture. These are just things I'm grabbing off my desktop. There's no rhyme or reason to it at this point. So that's how you're going to add your information into this s'more for the next weekly memo. When you're finished here, you can hit done editing, and then you'll see what it looks like to teachers. So this gives you an idea what it would look like. Granted, this doesn't have all the other information that you saw before. I'm going to go back to edit. And here you are, back to what we were working on before. So if you guys will add any information that you want to share with staff, if you'll add it prior to the end of the day Friday, because I usually work on this Friday night, or I'll get up Saturday morning and work on it and send it off to teachers so they have it on Saturday. It'd really be helpful if you added your own stuff. It'll save me a little bit of time, but also it's nice for you to have this avenue. You can work on this at any time. If for some reason you wanted to work on it and I didn't already create the next week, or maybe in 2 weeks you want to do one, you just click new flyer, and this is called a news bulletin. So click news bulletin, and it's going to give you the standard background and all that, but you don't have to worry about the decorations piece. We can change that. We can change that up ourselves later. That's it, guys. Thanks for helping me out with the weekly memo. I'm excited to have you guys put your input in the memo weekly pretty regularly. That'd be great. Thanks.